Ukulahleka komnye umphefumlo oselula. Lo mntwana unyamalele usuku olunye kuphela. Emva kweeyure eziliqela wafunyanwa umzimba wakhe ethafeni unamanxeba. La masikizi yinto eseyithanda ukuqheleka kweli lizwe.
We were informed by our EMS colleagues that this morning a 3-year-old was picked up, raped, and we don't know what else was done to this poor child. So we are here and we are asking South Africans, we're asking men in particular, stop killing our children, stop killing our women.
Lugama ihlabathi lijamelene nombhodamo wobhubhane wecorona. UMzantsi Afrika ukwajamelene nomnye ubhubhane wokubulawa kwabasetyhini nabantwana.
At a time when the coronavirus pandemic has left us all feeling vulnerable and uncertain, violence is being unleashed on the women and children of our country with a brutality that defies any form of comprehension. The women of our country are being raped, they are being killed by men. These rapists and killers walk amongst us.
Amapolisa aphanda ityala lokubulala.